To monitor Azure SQL Managed Identity, start by understanding what Managed Identity is. Managed Identity is a feature in Azure that allows Azure resources to authenticate to Azure services without needing to store credentials in code. First, enable the Managed Identity for your Azure SQL Server. This can be done through the Azure portal by navigating to your SQL Server, clicking on the Managed Identity tab, and clicking the Yes button under Status. Next, assign the necessary permissions to your Managed Identity. This can be done by navigating to the Azure Role Assignments page and assigning the appropriate role to your Managed Identity. To monitor your Managed Identity, use Azure Monitor. Azure Monitor provides metrics and logs for your Managed Identity, including sign-in logs and audit logs. To access these logs, navigate to the Azure Monitor page and click on the Logs tab. From here, you can query the logs to view information about your Managed Identity, such as sign-in attempts and authentication errors. You can also use Azure Monitor to set up alerts for your Managed Identity, such as alerts for failed sign-in attempts. Best practices for monitoring Managed Identity include regularly reviewing sign-in logs and audit logs, setting up alerts for authentication errors, and ensuring that your Managed Identity has the necessary permissions. Additionally, use Azure Policy to enforce compliance with your organization's security policies. Azure Policy allows you to define policies for your Managed Identity, such as policies for authentication and authorization. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively monitor your Azure SQL Managed Identity and ensure the security and compliance of your Azure resources. Regular monitoring and maintenance are crucial to ensuring the security of your Managed Identity and preventing potential security threats.